the biggest sprockets on this bike. We're gonna put this huge ass sprocket on this bike, and we're also gonna put this very small sprocket on the bike. Maximum torque and power, and then top speed. This is a 108 tooth sprocket from Rebel Gears. This is a 28 tooth sprocket from Rebel Gears. Now we also have smaller and bigger front sprocket. It's opposite with the front and the rear. In the rear, if you want more top speed, you do a smaller sprocket. If you want more top speed in the front, you have to put a bigger sprocket. So it's like opposite. You have multiple chains. We're gonna connect the chains so it's long enough for the big sprocket. Now I got a piece of paper here. This big sprocket was $280. Look at this.
There you go.
So that's for the big sprocket. This isn't the biggest sprocket you can buy. You can buy a few teeth bigger, but the price going from this to a few sizes bigger is literally like another 100 and something bucks. As you can see, this bike is slammed. We're gonna raise it back up, put the suspension back in so it's normal height, and then we'll start. We'll do a top speed with the normal sprocket first, and maybe some clips of me going through the gears to see how that is, and then we'll go right to the big sprocket. We got the stock set up right now, stock gears. We're gonna do a top speed test right now to see what the top speed is. Then we'll throw this bad boy on and see how fast we go after.
Bet.
We'll be able to climb hills in 5th gear.
Bet.
I'm gonna come down to a top speed, like rev it pretty high in 5th gear, we'll see what the speed is. And then I'll do like going through every gear as fast as possible. I'll do that a few times so that we compare how fast it goes through the gears after. Set up the speed.
And then see how it wheelies, like with the power.
Right, 2nd gear.
Easy, like butter.
Alright, let's go to the sprocket. 5th gear. We're gonna have to remove this. Hopefully the sprocket doesn't hit the exhaust. We'll see. This dude is blind, bro. Are you blind? Right, see, now it's just better. Wow. Very nice. This way.
Do it again.
What?
Look at all this stuff in like the spacer, bro.
Ew. What the heck is that?
It's gross.
Uh-oh. Well, that might work. My gosh. This is the old chain. This is the new chain. We're gonna connect them together with the 2 master links. How's this going?
Good.
We got her on. We're gonna test it out here. Try a bunch of other stuff.
Bro, look how big that shit is. Bro, it looks like it has a rim on it.
We got
like
2 chains. We're gonna go up, do hill climbs, do the speed test. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff. Try burnouts. 1st gear should be really slow. It's pretty good. Let's go do a top speed run, acceleration test. Dude, gotta try pulling stuff. Dude, it's really, really bad. I'll start in 1st gear, bang through every gear here, do a top speed run, do some pulls down the hill, try some wheelies. All right, ready? Alright, I'm gonna launch in 3rd gear. I'm in 5th
add torque.
I'm gonna launch in fourth gear. Fourth gear. Fourth gear. Fifth gear.
Bro, fifth literally comes up like if it was second gear.
I'm gonna launch in fifth gear. So the top speed is literally like 19 or 18 miles per hour, bro. Literally, top speed was like 17, 18 miles per hour. It's crazy.
Damn.
Launching in fifth. I'll do another launch in fifth gear. Still not gonna watch this, ready? Going all the way up. Fifth gear.
Fifth gear. Bro.
This is me holding the camera level. That's downhill and that's uphill. I'm holding the camera level right now. This is steep. The camera does not do justice. I go up it in fifth gear and then I'm gonna go up it in first gear. I basically hit top speed right there. I just hit top speed going up that hill.
Yeah.
I'll do one more in fifth gear, then we'll go to first. Might be too slow.
Yeah, you're gonna have to crawl her up, bro. So slow. So slow. I'm not gonna go too up because I don't want to slip.
I'm gonna go hit this little turn section in fifth gear. Yo, I really want to put the small sprocket. I want to go fast. That's gonna be fun. I'm excited for going this top speed. Too much torque, I can't even go.
The bike is definitely geared kind of shittily from factory.
Let's go pull some stuff.
Bro, my quad. It's gonna mac right into. Oh. No, it's just the van is heavy as heck, bro.
He's got some weight, yeah, first. Yo, try driving it, just normally. He started in fifth.
That was fifth.
Yeah. Oh. How does it feel?
Slow as shit.
Yeah, we need to make this go fast. Let's go put this small sprocket on. Pretty cool though. It looks cool. That looks insane. Fifth gear long.
That definitely hit it. It hit something there.
Huh. All right, let's go make this thing have a fast ass top speed.
Bet.
Putting on the small sprocket.
Dude, look how small.
Took that off. Yeah, this is gonna be sick.
Put the bigger one on the front.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if one of these bigger ones will fit on the front. The stock front sprocket is a 13. I have a 14, but I have a freaking 16 that fits with the chain on there. So, what is that? That's 3 teeth bigger, and one tooth bigger in the front is equal to like 3 less in the back. Wow, look at how small that is. So this actually be a pretty big difference. We might be able to hit like 80, 70 or 80. I think at least 70. Just put. Oh, I see the problem.
What?
There's only one hole. Well, I'll see. I'll put it on and see if it works. There's only one hole for the bolt. Let me see. So as you can see, these two holes don't line up. So I just kind of cut this one side out. I also found a different bolt that would fit because it didn't fit in a washer. This honestly should work. So I'm gonna tighten this up. That should be okay. How's it going back there?
Good.
You got this wrong, buddy. The front is tight and all rigged up. Back is on. Chain should be adjusted good. We're just waiting for cameraman's phone to charge so we can do the speedometer. Let's see. This is all ready. We should be able to go really fast. Let's see what first gear is like. First gear! We did way too much. That's way too fast. We're not gonna be able to rev out fifth gear. Unless we go that, we're gonna have to go to that.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Dude, this is gonna be bad. Dude, this is so, oh my god. I'm trying to think, should I do like the intake and exhaust? I'll leave it stop. Alright, let's go hit the road. Dude, this is insane. I could barely get into third gear. It's insane. I'm literally going like 20 or 30 in first gear. I'm not even gonna set up the speedometer yet because I'll save the speedometer for when we go to like the big downhill place. I'm just gonna try a few flybys here. There's definitely isn't enough room, so we'll go to there in a minute, but I'll try here first.
That was second gear. That's crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's flying. Dude, that's crazy. You were flying, bro.
I think that's third gear.
Damn.
That's third gear.
You're lying.
Let's go to the spot.
Alright.
We're about to go attempt a top speed test. I took this little fairing off to prevent wind resistance.
Oh my god. What was it?
I need more power.
74?
That was 74. That was 74.
Was that max? Did it want to go more?
Dude, that was like fourth gear. So much more speed, but I need more power. I'm gonna try to do another and I'll get it even further run, but that's like a huge run off. Going down a long straightaway. It needs the downhill. Alright, I'm gonna go again. Alright, so it sits at 60 miles an hour, 62 on flat, and then once it goes downhill, I hit 74. That was 74.
Sheesh, bro was cooking. How fast?
That was 73. It's
Bruh.
the wind, it got windy. The wind was slowing me down. I want to lay down on my stomach completely, but it hurts my...
I think we should get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Bro, I was leaning so hard, going so fast, like started wobbling or something. Yeah, I don't know if it's because my tires are slanted, but I was going so fast and leaning, it was like...
Oh, shit.
Dude, this thing's so fast. Too much, though. I think we're losing a little speed. Maybe that other front sprocket would be ideal.
gonna blow up your tire.
I want to do a burnout at like 80. I got it, right?
That's how you blow up your tire right there.
First,
Second, third. Right now, before it would be like struggling, right? Fuck. Bro, that's spinning so fast right now. Oh my god! Oh, that's pretty deep. Look at that.
look, it got shredded from that burnout.
Damn.
Just see what first gear is like really quick.
Oh shit.
Bro, this bike has never been so hot. On the straightaway, just flooring it for like literally a minute and a half. That was insane. Biggest gear we could get and smallest gear we could get. That was fun. In the future, we'll do some mods to this, hit 80 miles an hour. That was a great video. That was very fun.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all for watching. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.